In this cabinet we have the Black Bay family. In 2017 we saw the introduction of the Black Bay 41 and the 36. So when it initially came out, it only came out in the 2 sizes with the black dial. In 2018 we saw the launch of its little sister in 32mm, but the lovely thing with 2018 was also the introduction of the blue dial version. We are seeing a change in the size dynamics of how people are wearing watches. Fashion drove bigger watches for a long time, and we are starting to see that tide turning, where gents are going for more classic sizes between 38mm and 41mm, and ladies tend to go between 32 and 36. This collection, personally, I think can bridge between the everyday and the dress occasion. It's got a screw down crown, so it's fully waterproof. It has a chunky bracelet on it. It's got the resilience to be worn every day, but at the same time it's not an overly dressed sports watch. So as a lady, if you were wearing jeans and trainers throughout the day and then going straight out to an evening occasion and you were popping on a dress, it would still work. So in this cabinet we have the 1926, which is a brand new range launched for 2018. The name 1926 actually comes from the very founding year of Tudor, and so they have gone classic. 4 sizes of this watch. We have a 28mm, a 36, 39 and 41mm. The watches are available in steel and mixed metals, stainless steel and rose gold. We have a choice of dials from the opaline silver dial to the black with or without diamonds. This is very much a dress watch. To me, a classic watch is something that you could wear with a dinner jacket or a cocktail dress. Something that is sleek and elegant, not overly decorative. Something that could again be worn day and night. It's something that's just got a little bit of class about it. In this cabinet we have a collection of the Tudor Classics. So these are watches that have been out for a few years, but they are Tudor staples. Within the Black Bay we have got the black, the blue and the red, the originals. 2017 saw the launch of the Black Bay S&G, and we have the champagne coloured dial. It's quite a classic when it comes to Tudor styling. So you've got your classic 43mm case on your mixed metal bracelet, and you've got the champagne coloured dial. So you've still got the sports facilities within it. You've still got your screw down crown and your unidirectional dial. But having the champagne coloured dial just gives the watch that little bit more of a dressy feel. In this cabinet we have got Tudor's iconic standout pieces from 2018. We have got the infamous GMT. So this is the most sought after, talked about watch at the moment. And we also have the 58, which has surprised everybody in regards with just how compact a size it actually is. This has to be the standout watch of the year. It is the Tudor GMT, entirely of stainless steel, black dial, with your 3-hand hour, minute, second function, but with the addition of having the second hour hand indicating the secondary time zone, and you also have the bezel which does turn both directions, so you have got the AM PM indicator. The watch has proven very, very popular this year, and I can see why. It's an incredible watch for the money, just a very practical, very iconic piece with your burgundy and your blue bezel. It's an iconic colouring in the watch world, and yeah, I'm sure Tudor are very proud of the watch.